You've spent years learning standards, using quality tools, and supporting audits, and yet something still feels missing. You know the work, you know the language. But when the conversation shifts from execution to strategy, from fixing problems to leading decisions, hesitation can creep in. That gap is real, and today we're going to close it. If you work in quality, whether in a laboratory, food production, manufacturing, or consulting, this message is for you. Because becoming a quality manager is not about suddenly knowing everything. It is about building the right foundation, one layer at a time. Technical excellence gets you in the room. Leadership helps you shape the outcome. Let's start with the foundation that cannot be skipped. A strong quality professional must master the classic tools: Ishikawa, PDCA, control charts, FMEA, and the 5 whys. Not just recognize them. Use them well. Use them at the right time. Add lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, and you begin to see process improvement through data, not guesswork. Then come the standards that define modern quality work: ISO 9001, FSSC 22000, and ISO 17025. These are not just documents, they are the global language of quality. And if you don't speak that language fluently, you stay in execution while someone else moves into management. But mastering tools is only the beginning. A future quality manager must understand what is happening behind the reports, behind the numbers, behind the routine. In food and laboratory environments, that means bromatological analysis, microbiology, validation of analytical methods, and traceability. It means knowing what the result really means when it falls outside specification. Because when that happens, it is not enough to say there is a problem. You need to know what to do next. That is where routine management becomes critical. KPIs, deviations, corrective actions, patterns, root causes. A manager does not just collect information. A manager interprets it, connects it, and acts on it. Go see, think, act, with data, with context, with purpose. Now we reach the real turning point, the part that separates the technician from the manager. People. It does not matter how many standards you know, if you cannot lead a team. It does not matter how strong your technical background is, if you cannot give feedback, manage conflict, or motivate people under pressure. Communication is not a nice extra. Emotional intelligence is not a soft skill on the side. These are strategic competencies. A quality manager has to stay calm when pressure rises, has to speak with clarity when expectations are unclear, has to make decisions with confidence while still listening carefully to the team. That kind of leadership builds trust. And trust is what allows quality systems to actually work. This is the bridge from professional to manager. Technical mastery gives you credibility. Process understanding gives you judgment. Data analysis gives you direction. Leadership gives you impact. So if you've been wondering whether you are ready, remember this: management readiness is built, not assumed. Every tool you learn, every standard you understand, every process you study, every conversation you handle better, all of it is preparing you for the next step. The market no longer wants someone who just knows the tools. It wants someone who uses the tools, leads people, and decides with intelligence. That is the quality manager of the future, and the future is already here. Watch the playlist, subscribe, and comment your biggest quality challenge.